Star 1, 1972 Jeep J20 3/4 ton 4x4, $8,750 Elbert, Colorado. This 1972 Jeep J20 features a military-style conversion completed in 1974 and is powered by a small block GM V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and transfer case. It has a Dana 60 rear differential and a clean title. While the odometer is not original, the truck includes power steering, power brakes, a modern gauge cluster, and a retro-style stereo. The bed and military components are in excellent shape. Minor rust is present, and some bodywork is needed on the doors and fender. A capable off-road and on-road performer with character and potential. Two 1972 GMC C15, $8,000, Eugene, Oregon. This rear-wheel drive 1972 GMC C15 pickup is a daily driver with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. Though the odometer has rolled over, the truck has received many new parts and remains in good overall condition. Finished in black with a clean title, it offers classic pickup styling with reliable performance. 1974 Chevrolet C10, $10,000, Knights Landing, California. This orange 1974 Chevrolet C10 features a 350 cubic inch small block V8 TH350 automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 gears. Smog exempt and equipped with functional defroster and heater, the truck is in good condition but lacks air conditioning. The odometer is broken and true mileage is unknown. Clean title and currently registered. Four 1972 Ford F-250, $1,250, North Bellingham, Washington. This 1972 Ford F-250 3/4 ton pickup has a 390 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It runs, drives, and stops but needs mechanical work, including freeze plugs and an exhaust manifold. The truck has heavy rust, though the body is fairly straight and wears a natural patina. Comes with factory hubcaps, a clean title, and a good battery. It is a great candidate for a restoration or rat rod project. Five 1976 Ford F-100 Super Cab Ranger, $3,900, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Offered as a non-running project, this 1976 Ford F-100 Super Cab Ranger appears to have a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. With a long 155-inch wheelbase, light blue exterior, and a clean title, it is a dry climate truck with minimal rust on the cab and frame, though the bed is heavily rusted. Odometer is broken and mileage is unverified. 6. 1971 Ford F-250 regular cab long bed, $3,000, Auburn, California. This 1971 Ford F-250 is a long bed rear-wheel drive pickup equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives, but requires significant mechanical attention, especially the slipping transmission and limited drivability. With a gray finish and clean title, it is a budget-friendly project truck. 7. 1970 Chevrolet C10 4x4 7500 at Atascadero, California. A four-wheel drive 1970 Chevrolet C10 long bed project with manual transmission and 155,000 miles. The truck runs and drives fine, with recent service including a tune-up, fuel pump, and battery. However, it needs full restoration due to rust and body damage. A solid 4x4 base for a classic truck build. 8. 1975 GMC Silverado C10, $6,500, Monterey, California. This 1975 GMC Silverado C10 comes with a clean California title, current registration, and smog exemption. Powered by a V8 and automatic transmission, the truck features a classic square body design and blue exterior. It is a well-maintained and complete platform for either restoration or casual cruising. 1965 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $2,000, Reno, Nevada. One-owner 1965 Ford F-250 has a 352 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt, and then the truck was stored for decades. It recently started up after proper cylinder prep. With a clean title and blue paint, it is a solid restoration candidate with sentimental value and mechanical integrity. 10. 1969 Ford F-100, $6,900, Wimberley, Texas. This orange 1969 Ford F-100 features a V8 engine, manual column-shifted 3-speed transmission, and just 48,300 miles. It runs and drives well, with many new parts including tires. Clean Texas title in hand. A classic long bed truck ready for weekend drives or continued restoration. 11. 1966 Chevrolet C10, $8,750, Eugene, Oregon. A well-maintained 1966 Chevrolet C10 with a 2.92 straight-six engine and 4-speed floor shift. Recent professional work includes a new carburetor, upgraded dual master cylinder with booster, front disc brakes, rear drums, electrical system updates, new heater components, ignition system, and battery. Some typical rust is present, but overall it is a solid and drivable truck with modern safety improvements. 12. 1979 Ford 150 with plow, $650, Idaho Springs, Colorado. This non-running 1979 Ford F-150 comes with a plow and has a 4-speed manual transmission. It shows 38,000 miles, but accuracy is unknown. The truck does not have a title and is sold with a bill of sale only. Ideal for parts or a low-cost off-road or work truck project if brought back to life. 1961 Ford F-100, $8,500, Carmichael, California. This blue 1961 Ford F-100 is equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission. It features rear-wheel drive, a clean title, and approximately 100,000 miles. In good overall condition, it represents a well-preserved early 1960s pickup and a great base for collectors or vintage truck fans.